All right, YouTube, man. I'm finna do this POV drive, man. This video gonna be random. This video gonna be mad random because I ain't plan on making no YouTube video today. I was just gonna take the car out because it's like 40 degrees where I'm at. I was just gonna take the car out, spin around, get it washed, take some pictures, and get a little video footage. But man, I think I'm gonna do a POV drive, man. Give y'all a little footage. So yeah, that's why you see me with my little headgear on, man, for my GoPro. I ain't never wore this. I'm probably gonna take it off because I'm about to go take a drive, get the car washed, and then go where I'm gonna do my video footage and take my pictures. I'm gonna just record that for today, man. Just some random little video, just something to post. So I'll give y'all a cold start right now. Find my keys, man. I got so many keys in my pocket. All right, let me give y'all a good cold start. Sudden traffic started running all through my street, so I had to hurry up and get in the car so I don't get hit. People looking at me like I'm crazy recording my car and headgear on. I don't blame them though, I ain't never did it before. So I'm gonna cut this right now and set up my GoPro, because I gotta set up a little sticky paper for my car, because you know I did it before, but it didn't stick and it fell off, so I'm gonna try to redo that again. So I'm gonna bounce back and forth from my phone to my GoPro, so stick with me. All right, man, I got everything set up. So I just popped that right there. Hopefully it stick. I might not even use that angle on this video. I might just stick with my phone right here until I get ready to do the POV, where y'all gonna have. I had a camera up here, so I'm gonna get a little cold start for y'all. Well, not a cold start, let me just start it up again. I had to turn it off, man, because this shit loud. My car loud, real loud. And I was sitting here trying to get all this stuff together. So I'm like, man, let me turn this car off and my neighbors get pissed at me. So not a cold start, but restart. Ooh. Yes, sir. We ain't got no engine lights on, baby. That's always a good sign. Always a good sign on a fully modded cam car, you feel me? So we gonna ride around in tour mode for a minute. I'm just gonna head to the car wash right now. I bought a car wash yesterday, but my battery died. And hear how loud that is? And my GoPro just fell. GoPro fell instantly as soon as I took off. So that goes to show you I ain't gonna be using that GoPro angle. I ain't gonna be using that GoPro angle on this video. Yeah, man, I'm gonna just go get the car washed, man, and then I'm gonna meet back up with y'all after the car wash, get a video after I wash it when I'm at the car wash, and then I'm gonna hook up my head GoPro and get the POV drive. And I get to the car wash, and of course the sun out. It's Friday. It's like 40 degrees. So it's about 6 cars in front of me. But I've been trying to get my car washed since yesterday. And I came here yesterday and my battery was dying. So I had to go buy a new battery, and I just changed it this morning. I bought a car wash yesterday, but it's good for like 7 days or something. So I already bought my car wash, so I ain't leaving, man. Look at this. I ain't leaving. So we got 1, 2, about 3, 4, 5. Yeah, probably about 6 cars, man. I'm the 7th car. So I ain't leaving because I already bought the car wash. I've been trying to wash my car since Friday. And yeah, all I'm really trying to do is wash my car and take some pictures and make a little video, a little snippet or something. Oh, if he leaving, it's a wrap. He think he cut me? I wonder if he think he cut me. No, you ain't cut me, bro. I don't know what old school doing. He must be dipping. Oh, say less. Say less. All right, so it's 5 cars in front of me now. I like people that like to leave. But I ain't leaving, though. But I'll be back, man. I ain't gonna sit here. I ain't got nothing to really talk about. I'm just giving y'all an update midway through this video. I told you this video was gonna be choppy and kind of unorganized because I didn't plan on making a video today. I was just gonna do some POV shorts for YouTube and my Instagram. If you ain't following my Instagram, the Instagram is Go Crazy Forever. Go Crazy Forever. 4, the number 4, and then ever, EVA. Go Crazy Forever, man. So I'll be back when I get my car washed and I get to my location where I can do my little, you know what I mean? Yeah, you know, beyond city limits where it ain't no speed limits and stuff like that, where I can get some pools. May even go to Mexico, you feel me? I don't know. We ain't too far from Mexico. I heard it was snow in Mexico. I don't believe it. I gotta go see it. So I'll be back, man. I know we were supposed to go to the car wash and go take pictures, man, but I needed an oil change, so now I'm at the dealership getting hella love, man. Everybody love the car. You know what I mean? I gotta upgrade these stickers. That's actually the YouTube, so I gotta change that sticker. All right, man, so I'm still at the dealership getting an oil change, changing plans. I'm gonna get the oil change, then do my POV drive and my take my pictures and my little video, man. But I'm out here just looking at some shit they got. What's this right here, man? Like a RS. Little Camaro RS. Little RS, man. Pre-owned. What's it, 2018? Ain't nothing special about that too much. I like these trucks though, man. I do like these trucks. These trucks go crazy. I fuck with these. And I don't know if it's a lift kit or a leveling kit. I can't tell the difference, but it's definitely got a nice side, got a nice lift to it, man. I like this. I wonder how much they want for this. I need a pickup truck. Feel me? See what else they got, man. A little RS Malibu. Okay, here we go. Y'all know this home right here. But this is like a V6. Is it a V6? I think it's a V6. It look like a V6. Yeah, I think it's V6 shawty, man. V6 shawty. Dodge still make nice ass cars, man. But yeah, this V6. V6 Charlie. Go a Charger. Like another V6. Damn. It's a bunch of V6 Mopars out here, man. Let's see, man. Let's see. Everybody looking at me, man. See, I'm in the city, man. People don't do this kind of shit, man. They don't walk around with cameras, recording themselves, talking to themselves. But I'm talking to y'all. But don't nobody do this in my city, man. So this is new. Yeah, this is a V6. This is a V6. Clean V6 though. But I'm gonna go back inside because it's cold, man, and my phone about to die, and I still need my phone to be charged when I take the pictures and make the little videos for Instagram and my YouTube later. So I'll be back. Oh man, he's finally letting me do this.
So we're not gonna see much of the engine unless I take down the engine oil pan.
Right.
But everything down here looks pretty dry.
Cool. Hell yeah.
It looks like, I mean, it doesn't really matter that if your exhaust is leaking because it's all it's all open anyways.
Right. All right, man. Appreciate you. We talking about like right here?
No, I'm talking about, so like you see how it's dark black?
Yeah.
It's like a sooty right here.
Yeah.
And sooty right there. That, you know, there's a little pinhole in your exhaust, but it doesn't really matter because I mean, you don't have any cats, so.
No, they're gone. Yeah, all of them gone, ain't it?
Yeah, so it's fine. It's, you know, and you can't really hear an exhaust leak anyways, just because obviously it's straight piped. But yeah, everything looks pretty dry.
Hell yeah.
Who do you have usually work on this?
I haven't had much work done to it other than the transmission torque converter upgrade.
Right.
And that Motor Max did that.
High stall converter?
Yeah.
Nice. Very nice. Cool. Cool. Well, I'm gonna.
All right, let me get out
start
your way,
draining
man.
the oil
I
here.
appreciate you.
Yeah, no problem, man.
All right, man. I don't know how much of that y'all seen, but cool dudes up here at Chevy, man. Up here betting on Henry, man. Cool dudes. Let me get up under there. It was kind of hard to do this, get all up under so y'all can see it. But I'll be back when I get done, man. I'm gonna stop this video here, man. I can't get the POV off my GoPro for some reason. I don't know why. I have to restart it and check it. I don't know. But thanks for watching. I know this video was super choppy, but it was random, like I said in the beginning, man. But I think it was pretty exciting, man. Went to the car wash, got some footage at the dealership getting my oil changed. They let me go up under the car. Shout out to them guys, man. Go to betting if you in Muskegon, Michigan. Go to Chevy Betting on Henry and talk to Doug and tell him I sent you, man. Cool dudes up there. And even the guy that worked on my car did my oil change. I can't think his name. Shout out to him too. But yeah, man, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. More content, man. I'm gonna try to be more consistent, but as you can see, I'm in Michigan. So the next day it starts snowing. So car going back in the garage. Until next time, man.